Tomato juice or apple juice?
I can't like doing tomato juice.
That's not tomato juice.
What is it?
What kind of juice is it?
I don't know.
Does it taste like tomatoes?
Oh. See? Go on.
This is just for this is for a video. I'm making a movie of you guys eating your snack. You don't want a movie like we make movies at the Touch Museum?
Want to see my new movie?
That's for tonight, honey. We haven't watched that one yet. And after snack, we're going to go up and play, okay?
Yeah. Celine, I'm done.
You're done? Okay.
I'm gonna play with this.
Okay. You want to take it over? You can put it on the table in the other room.
We can't go upstairs.
Well, not without us, right?
Mm-mm.
I'll leave your juices here if you need more juice.